Hello, ma'am. Welcome to the Voice of Healthcare second edition of Precision Med India Conclave and Award. It is a pleasure to have you join us today. Ma'am, we would like to have your views on what is the biggest implementation challenges for AI in Indian healthcare system and how do we can realistically overcome it.
So, as I look at it, the biggest challenge in adopting AI in the Indian healthcare industry is actually exists in the mindset only. It's all a matter of mindset because as AI is not just artificial intelligence, it is that untapped intelligence which basically through the human intervention, through human knowledge, we can tap that intelligence and use it for the benefit of the not just for the industry as such, but also for the healthcare platform, and to give in today's precision diagnostic era, give tailor-made solutions to the patients. So it's all about changing the mindset and welcoming it with open arms. Thank you.
So, ma'am, you talked about mindset. So, just a small follow-up question on this. Can we say like the future of AI in the healthcare, it will be like of great importance than the some challenges which we used to heard through news article or any different things. So, what are your views on this? AI is something that will have great exposure to the healthcare delivery, or it will have some challenges also.
So, because in healthcare the data is vast, and especially in the Indian demographic context, it's a big geography. We are a large populous country. So, how do you otherwise deal with such massive data? So that is why AI is the most needed thing today in our healthcare space, and especially for a country like India, where from region to region, geography to geography, the genomic profiling and everything is so different, and hence it is AI which can help on build on the clinicians know-how, clinicians expertise, can help to bridge the gap, because otherwise we'll be there'll be a lot of challenge in terms of reaching out to the public at large, and taking care of the patients tailor-made solutions. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for sharing your views.